Grab your hard hats. It's Kristena K. We're back again with another model walkthrough. This is the Linden floor plan found in the Bellamore community, offered by MI Homes in York, South Carolina. This floor plan is a 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath floor plan. Let's take a peek around. When you open the front door, you are greeted by the family room, the dining space, as well as the kitchen. On this lower level, you will find a half bathroom and the entrance to your 2-car garage. This community qualifies for my standard representation package, so if you're interested in taking advantage of that up to 1% rebate, please click the links in my bio, send me a text message, or give my team a call. We'd love to show you around this private property with Diane and her teammate. As we land on the second level, you can see briefly the loft area, but we're going to start in the owner's bedroom. So let's go to our left. The owner's bedroom, or the owner's suite, does come equipped with a walk-in closet, a stand-up shower, and a dual vanity. It also has a cute little nook that's perfect for a reading space or a study space. As you guys can see, I try my absolute best to stay out of the reflection of the mirror, but sometimes you guys catch me in these videos. Here is the walk-in closet. Here is bedroom number 2. Here is the loft, the laundry room, and then here is a shared bathroom between the 2 secondary bedrooms. It does have a shower and tub combo. And here is bedroom number 3. If you are interested in touring this floor plan or any other floor plans that are offered at the Bellamore community in York, South Carolina, please click the links in my bio. I would be happy to take you on a private tour, even if it's after hours for the on-site sales team. As always, thanks for watching the video. Like, subscribe, share, and happy house hunting.